How often do we hear financial advice like spend less, save more, and invest early? It's supposed to set us on the path to financial success, right? But what if I told you some of these widely accepted tips are myths that could actually hold you back? In this video, we'll uncover 7 money myths that could be messing with your finances and why you need to stop believing them now. Let's get started. Myth 1. Debit is always better than credit. We've all heard the advice. Use your debit card. It's safer and simpler. While it's true that using a debit card can help you avoid unnecessary debt by spending only what's in your account, the assumption that debit is always the better choice can be misleading. In reality, credit cards, when used responsibly, offer several benefits that debit cards simply don't. Credit cards often come with rewards programs such as cashback, travel miles, or points that you can redeem for gifts or discounts. Over time, those rewards can add up and save you money. Additionally, using a credit card is one of the best ways to build and maintain a strong credit history. A good credit score can help you secure better rates on loans, credit cards, and even insurance. Another benefit is the purchase protection credit cards offer, especially for big-ticket items like electronics or appliances, giving you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. Myth 2. Buy a home at all costs. The idea of owning a home is often deeply ingrained in society. From a young age, we're taught that owning property is a cornerstone of financial success. But while home ownership can be an excellent investment in some situations, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. For many people, especially those in high-cost areas or with an uncertain job situation, renting can actually be a smarter financial choice. First, buying a home comes with significant upfront costs, down payments, closing fees, property taxes, and maintenance expenses. Renting, on the other hand, typically requires less initial investment. Moreover, renting offers flexibility that home ownership doesn't. If you're not sure where you want to settle or anticipate moving in the near future, renting allows you to easily relocate without the hassle of selling a house. Additionally, in expensive cities, buying a home may stretch your finances too thin. Don't feel pressured to own a house if it doesn't align with your financial goals and lifestyle. Myth 3. Investing is only for rich people. A common misconception is that investing is something only wealthy individuals can do. People often think you need a lot of money to start investing, and if you don't have a large sum saved up, there's no point in even trying. This myth can prevent many people from starting their investment journey, leaving them missing out on a valuable opportunity to grow their wealth. The truth is, you can begin investing with a small amount of money. You don't need millions to get started. Many brokerage accounts and investment platforms allow you to start with just a few $100s or even less. A great way to start investing is through low-cost index funds, which track a broad market index like the S&P 500. These funds are ideal for beginners because they're relatively low risk, and their performance tends to mirror the overall market. By starting early, you give your investments more time to grow, and that can set you up for financial success in the future. Myth 4. My partner manages our finances, so I don't need to think about money. It can be easy to fall into the mindset that if your partner is managing the household finances, you don't need to worry about money. You may trust them to handle everything and feel confident that things are in good hands. However, this approach can lead to financial blind spots. Even if your partner is actively managing the money, it's crucial for both partners to be involved in financial planning. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances can change quickly. If something were to happen to your partner, whether due to illness, an unexpected job loss, or other life events, you could be left in the dark about where the family's money stands. Sharing knowledge of your finances ensures that both partners are prepared for any situation. It's also important for both of you to discuss financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, retirement, or your children's education. Financial responsibility should be a shared priority for both partners to maintain stability and make smart decisions together. Myth 5. Credit cards will get me through any financial crisis. Many people believe that credit cards are an automatic solution to any financial emergency. After all, if you're facing an unexpected expense, whether it's a medical bill, a car repair, or a sudden job loss, a credit card seems like a convenient lifeline. However, relying on credit cards to cover emergencies can quickly spiral into debt, especially if you're unable to pay off the balance in full. Credit card companies charge high interest rates, which means that what you borrow today could end up costing you much more tomorrow. A much smarter approach is to have an emergency fund in place before you face any financial crisis. Building an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses ensures that you won't have to rely on credit cards when the unexpected happens. An emergency fund provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered for situations such as job loss, medical emergencies, or major home repairs without falling into debt. Myth 6. I'm young. I don't need to think about retirement. When you're young, it's easy to think that retirement is something you don't need to worry about. After all, you're just starting your career, and there are plenty of immediate expenses to deal with. Retirement seems so far away, so why should you start saving for it now? However, delaying your retirement savings until you're older can have a significant impact on your financial future. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the less you'll need to contribute each month to reach your goals. This is because of the power of compound interest. The earlier your money starts growing, the more it can multiply over time. Even if you're just able to set aside a small amount now, it can snowball into a substantial nest egg by the time you're ready to retire. Opening a 401k, IRA, or other retirement savings account early on allows you to take full advantage of compound growth, making your retirement fund work harder for you over the years. Myth 7. I have enough in my account to cover my expenses, so I don't need to budget. It's easy to think that if you have enough money in your bank account, there's no need to budget. After all, if your balance is healthy, why worry about keeping track of every dollar? However, not budgeting can lead to overspending, even for those with comfortable incomes. Without a budget, it's difficult to pinpoint exactly where your money is going, which can cause you to make unnecessary or impulsive purchases. You might think you're managing fine, but unchecked spending can add up quickly, leaving you with less than you realize at the end of the month. Budgeting is about being intentional with your money. It helps you prioritize savings, pay down debt, and allocate money for specific goals, like a vacation or a big purchase. A budget also creates awareness about your spending habits, enabling you to identify areas for improvement. No matter your income level, having a budget is essential for maintaining financial control and ensuring long-term financial success. Now that you know the truth behind these common money myths, it's time to take control of your financial future. Avoiding these misconceptions can help you make smarter, more informed decisions about your money, no matter your situation. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips about money management. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of your money and your future.